Hey, I'm Ollie from Barista Technology, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a top plate on your M2 puck press for any customers who are upgrading their puck press from the Mythos 1 to the Mythos 2. For the purposes of this video, the top plate on this puck press is the one already suited towards the Mythos 2 grinder, so I'm going to be removing it and replacing it. However, it's the same procedure. Please note that prior to this, we did require 2 people in order to remove the Mythos 1 grinder safely by pulling the cable through the hole and ensuring that the Mythos grinder is not damaged or dropped and that the puck press or the grinder have not been scraped. For the purposes of this video, we do need a 4mm Allen key tool, which comes with the puck press, a standard Phillips head screwdriver, and 4 replacement feet, which will come with all new puck presses. Or if you have the old M2 puck press, you can purchase the M2 top plate conversion kit. Simply contact us to arrange this. To begin the process, we need to remove the rubber seal where I'm pointing. This is where an earthing cable is. Simply do this by flicking up with the green handle. This then has a Phillips head screw where you simply unscrew until loose. Please ensure you do keep hold of all the screws when removing these, as you will need to use them when applying the new top plate. I place it in here so it is not lost. You'll then need to grab your 4mm Allen key handle. You have 6 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You then need to release all of these with the Allen key. And place on the bench next to you, as these will be the same screws which you will be putting in the new top plate. If you have a brand new grinder, these may be stiff initially, but use your full force and then simply twirl like I'm doing here, and then apply a bit of an angle in order to get the screw up. As I said, there's 6 in total. For the purposes of this, you do not need the M2 puck press to be plugged in. No power is required for this. And for safety purposes, you do not want any power on, as there are electrical components inside. Now onto the 6th screw. You'll then be able to remove the top plate. This you would then dispose of or keep if you're looking to keep your Mythos 1 grinder. For the purposes of this video, this is the new top plate, hence the new circles in here for the replacement feet. With the 4 replacement feet provided with the puck press or the top plate conversion kit, you and another person, one person to hold the grinder and another person to remove the feet from the original Mythos 2 grinder and replace them with the feet provided by puck press. So just to reiterate, the original feet that come with the Mythos 2 puck press will not sit in the new top plate. You will need to use the feet provided by puck press themselves, which is dealt with through us at Barista Technology. As I said, for the purpose of this video, this is the new top plate. So you would now place the new top plate back on, remembering that you are needing to reattach the grounding cable, which we release with the Phillips head screwdriver. So whilst you're putting the top plate on, you need to ensure that this grounding cable does come through here, like so. It'll be already at an angle, so it'll be pretty easy to hold. Then get the Phillips head screwdriver and the screw. Hold it like so, place it through the hole, find its place, and screw down. And not too tightly. At this point, you can then place the rubber seal back on. This then covers up the grounding cable. Then you can simply drop each screw into the 6 holes where we previously removed them from. At this point, you would tighten these up and simply not too tight and a simple adjustment. Once you've then replaced the feet onto your new Mythos 2 grinder, you and another person will then need to lift the grinder, feed the cable through the M2 puck press, and this will sit perfectly in the new 4 holes, and your puck press conversion to the Mythos 2 has been complete. Thank you for watching. If you have any other inquiries, feel free to call us on 1300 582 443 or email us at orders@baristatechnology.com.au. Thank you for watching.